Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore the intriguing world of computerized maintenance management systems, also known as CMMS. If you're curious about the cost, benefits, and selection process of a computerized maintenance management system, then you're in the right place. We'll delve into how these systems can transform your business operations and help you make more informed decisions. So, stay tuned as we unfold the mystery behind the computerized maintenance management system. So, what exactly is a computerized maintenance management system? It's a computerized system that stores and manages a wealth of maintenance-related data for a company. Information regarding assets, inventory, and maintenance history is entered into the system. Scheduled work orders can be generated to address reactive or preventive maintenance tasks. Maintenance technicians then use data from a computerized maintenance management system to complete their jobs. Once work orders are completed, technicians enter tasks, concerns, and future needs. This gives maintenance managers transparency into the entire maintenance department and its activities, allowing them to make faster, better overall business decisions. Often, business growth dictates the time to invest in a computerized maintenance management system. If you notice that you can no longer adequately track information with paper or a simple spreadsheet, or if you need mobile access to your data or need to integrate your data into other systems, it's probably a good time to make the computerized maintenance management system investment. But how does a computerized maintenance management system help your business? Well, there are 5 key ways. Firstly, a computerized maintenance management system can help businesses operate more efficiently. By collecting and managing maintenance information centrally, companies can operate more smoothly. For example, a maintenance professional can enter preventive maintenance schedules into a computerized maintenance management system once. When time or condition requirements are met, the computerized maintenance management system can automatically trigger a work order so that maintenance is performed on time. This typically minimizes emergency repairs and production downtime. Secondly, a computerized maintenance management system can help manage resources better. It not only manages work orders, but also can provide tracking and ordering of tools and supplies. If consumable items or service items reach a preset threshold, the computerized maintenance management system can generate an automatic order before you completely run out. This can also help locate and track supplies and tools, minimizing lost items and unnecessary reorders. Thirdly, a computerized maintenance management system can streamline communications. No more sticky notes, emails, and voice messages to pass along maintenance details. All this communication is centralized in one place so that all who require data will have it at their fingertips. Fourthly, a computerized maintenance management system can increase profits. By addressing issues such as emergency repairs, too much or not enough inventory, lost or misplaced repair tools, and miscommunication, a computerized maintenance management system can easily reduce your costs and improve your profit margin. Finally, a computerized maintenance management system can improve customer satisfaction. Better data means faster, smarter business decisions, leading to prompt service, faster shipment, and more responsive problem resolution. All of these things can help improve your relationships with your customers, leading to a steady stream of business. So you're convinced that investing in a computerized maintenance management system is the right decision for your organization. But how do you pick the right one? There are dozens of companies offering computerized maintenance management system solutions, and sorting through the options can be daunting. Here are the top features you should be considering before you make your choice. Work order management, preventive maintenance, asset management, inventory management, maintenance reports, mobile application, vendor management, and scanning technology are all key features to consider. Now let's talk about the average costs and pricing models of a computerized maintenance management system. The cost will vary depending on your vendor and deployment selection. The number of employees that will be using the system and the features you want will affect the price as well. Typical pricing plans include subscription plan by user and month, subscription plan by month only, and perpetual licensing fee. In conclusion, today's computerized maintenance management system solutions help a wide variety of companies in a multitude of industries provide efficient and effective maintenance services. Whether you're a small manufacturing company or a multi-site corporation, there's a computerized maintenance management system available to fit your needs. Take the time to research different pricing models and weigh the investment against the improved productivity, decreased downtime, and greater efficiency you can expect to gain from using a computerized maintenance management system. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We've explored the cost, benefits, and selection process of a computerized maintenance management system and how it can help streamline your business operations. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you make more informed decisions for your organization.